Morning, students, and welcome to your first food nutrition and health class in grade 8. And today's topic would be cereals. This is the voice of Miss Fredericks, but your teacher is Miss Lindor. So enjoy, and I hope you're staying safe. Subtopics. We're going to look at what are cereals, types of cereals, parts of a cereal grain, and cereal products. What are cereals? Cereals are seeds of or are edible seeds of cultivated grasses. Sorry. Now these are the grasses that are grown, cultivated grasses. They are grown for the purpose of their seeds, and those are called cereals. You would hear it hand in hand with cereals and grains. Now they are part of the basic diet throughout the world, and it's a huge part of our diet here in Guyana. It contains it or contain a high proportion of carbohydrates in the form of starch. Carbohydrates has three forms. You have sugar, starch, and celluloses. And this cereal grain or cereals contain a high proportion of carbohydrates in the form of starch. They're a valuable source of protein as well, non-starch polysaccharides, which is NSP, vitamins, and minerals. Importance of cereals. Now they are easy to digest once cooked properly and once not overcooked. They are widely available, easy to transport, and they store in bulk quantities. Large amount of quantities can be stored. The body uses it for energy, and it gets that energy in the form of starch. As you know, starch provides the body with energy, and they can be used in a variety of dishes. The types of cereals, like I said, it's the cultivated plants, the seeds of cultivated plants, and these are the seeds and the cultivated plants that we're looking at. You have wheat, barley, rye, rice, maize, oats, millet. Can you identify the ones that are grown in Guyana? On that note, the handouts that are placed at a strategic point for you to collect, please ensure you answer all activities and submit it to the exact place that you would have collected and collect new ones every week. Now the anatomy of a cereal grain, or the parts of cereal grain, you have the bran, and the bran is the outer layer, as you were seeing there, that protects the seed. From that you can get fiber, and that's the non-starch polysaccharide we were talking about earlier. You can get B vitamins and minerals. Then you have the germ, in other words, that is nourishment for the seed. It's the storage room of food for the seed. And from that you get B vitamins, vitamin E, mineral, and phytochemicals, sorry. And then you have the endosperm, which is the largest part of the grain, and it's normally seen as the white part of some grains, in, for example, the rice and the wheat, and that is the energy for the seed. Now, from that you get the carbohydrates, which is the starch. You get some protein and some B vitamin. Now, the bran and the germ are removed when whole grains are refined. Now they remove the bran and the germ when you're doing, that's why you get only the endosperm in the case of white rice and white flour and so on. But the bran and the germ remains when you're talking about brown rice and whole wheat flour and whole wheat, anything that we're talking about whole wheat, dealing with cereal grain. So that's it. You have the anatomy of the grain, the bran, the germ, and the endosperm. And these are three main parts. There are other parts. Maybe you can think of them and list them. Now, cereal-based products are products that you can get from cereals, and these, as you look at the list here, are a wide variety and so much more. On the activity sheet, you have to answer the questions by assigning different products or two products to a grain. For example, if you have wheat, then you say products that you can get from wheat. If you have corn, you say products that you can get from corn, and so forth. And that's the activity there, as you would see on the activity sheet. Once you have it with you, or if you haven't collected it as yet, please ensure that you do so. And that is thank you, and I hope that you answer all the activities. Keep in mind the activities are there to ensure that you would have learned something and that you are doing your work. Now see you next time and stay safe. Or you would hear from me next time, not see you next time. Stay safe. Bye.